Well, to tackle climate change, governments need to make the right thing to do, the easiest thing to do. And we've got a target of planting 86 million trees by the end of this decade to help us to get to net zero. And that involves you doing your bit too. So we are providing a free tree for every household that wants one. And if you don't have a garden, the Woodland Trust will plant a tree on your behalf, because it'll make a difference, not just to our carbon targets, but your neighbourhood too. Trees are amazing things, and we don't say it enough. As well as helping to tackle climate change by sucking in carbon from the atmosphere, they also help clean the local air. They help deal with flooding by slowing down the flow of water. They help with your health and well-being. There's very clear evidence that being around trees reduces your blood pressure and reduces your stress. There's also good evidence to show that areas with trees have lower crime rates. So there's multiple benefits, and planting a tree in your community, in your garden, can make a difference to your family and help with our broader target of reaching net zero by 2050.